Hello. Today we are going to go over a quick guided tour of the award-winning HPE AI platform InfoSight. InfoSight is a SaaS-based predictive analytical engine. Currently, HPE InfoSight supports HPE products such as 3PAR, Nimble Storage, HPE Servers, RMC, StoreOnce. In this video walkthrough, we will be going over HPE Nimble Storage in detail as well as cross-stack analytics for VMware. Once logged in, you will see all of the InfoSight supported products under the Infrastructure tab. You can then navigate to one of the specific products to get a detailed view of the analytics and data associated with it. In our example, we are going to go navigate through the various Nimble Storage portals. First, let's look at the pool view. This view again has two subcategories: the space and performance information of the individual Nimble Storage array pools. The Array tab shows detail about individual array parameters such as model number, software versions, hardware health, and information about raw and usable capacities. The Volume tab gives information about space, performance, and data protection of the individual volumes. Now let's move on and take a deep dive into cross-stack analytics. HPE InfoSight cross-stack analytics for VMware environments provide performance correlation analytics to help you identify the leading factors affecting performance while avoiding significant manual data collection and analysis. Various views are available within this portal. The Data Center and Cluster view gives details about the various vCenter data centers and clusters associated with the Nimble Storage array we are monitoring. The Host and the Data Store tabs gives insights into the host and data store utilization. The VM view gives details about various VMs that are present on the vCenter and summary and performance information about the individual VMs. Views into capacity and contention trends are also provided. The Data Store Tree Map is a visualization tool that shows the I/O and latency of data stores and VMs. The larger the rectangle, the greater the I/O over the last 24 hours. The darker the color, the higher the latency. This view helps in determining VM latency factors, whether coming from storage, host, or the network. It also helps in taking corrective actions on noisy neighbor. In this example, our host was bottlenecked by CPU utilization. Certain VMs were consuming higher CPU cycles and thereby starving other VMs on the same host. Similar views into memory consumption can also be seen. This tool helps in troubleshooting performance issues in VMware environments. Now let's look into the other dashboards that are provided within InfoSight. The Operation dashboard shows an overview of the environment. It offers information of the arrays and shows which VMs are top performing in terms of latency and IOPS. It also provides insights into system health and capacity issues. This is the ideal place to look for a quick health check across the environment. The Executive dashboard provides an overview of the state of the arrays. Its graphs offer quick summaries of information such as operational efficiencies, data protection, upgrade needs based on CPU and capacity consumption of the array, and also overall space savings achieved through various data saving techniques. The Wellness dashboard summarizes any issues related to the array, or to pools, volumes, and so forth. It also provides details about the type of problems and associated condition. The Capacity dashboard displays the capacity of all pools or of a particular pool based on a time frame that you select. The information is presented as a summary in the headline bar or in graph format with the details listed at the bottom. The capacity report can further be filtered by pools, application, or by volumes. Each of these views can include volume usage, past growth, and savings based on the category selected. The final dashboard is Labs. This is the place where all of the incubated features of InfoSight are hosted before being released to mainstream InfoSight. Labs can give AI-based insights into performance, capacity, and data protection. The Performance and Capacity tab has queries that can run against your environment to get insights into performance patterns and recommendations, as well as capacity forecasting. In this example, we're going to run a query for AI performance recommendation. We first select the date and time frame we want to run the query, followed by latency sensitivity for the recommendation to be based upon. As you can see, there was a performance degradation based on potential impact score from Monday, October 15th between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. The random reads IOPS were really high. On looking back at the environment, the admin discovered a combination of VDI desktop recompose and security patches that were run. Based on the issue, a set of recommendations are provided with detailed analysis of the affected volumes. Finally, InfoSight is a treasure trove of documentation, KB articles, configuration metrics, and sizing tools to help the customer make validated decisions. To learn more, log on to hpe.com/storage/InfoSight.